Bitstamp Europe app. The pros, the cons. The Bitstamp Europe app is one of the oldest and most trusted cryptocurrency platforms in Europe, but most people get this wrong by assuming that older exchanges can't keep up with modern features. The surprising truth is that Bitstamp combines reliability, security, and ease of use, making it a solid option for both beginners and experienced traders. On the pros side, Bitstamp is fully regulated in the EU, which provides a high level of trust and security. The app supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. It offers competitive trading fees starting from 0.5%, which decrease with higher trading volumes. Users can easily deposit and withdraw funds via SEPA transfers, and the interface is simple and intuitive for monitoring markets and executing trades. Two-factor authentication and cold storage ensure that user funds are protected. On the con side, Bitstamp app may lack some advanced trading features that professional traders seek, such as deep charting tools or margin trading. Platform's customer support can be slow during peak periods, and while the app is beginner-friendly, it may feel basic to traders looking for highly customizable trading experiences. In conclusion, the Bitstamp Europe app is a reliable and secure platform for European crypto users. Its regulatory compliance, straightforward interface, and support for major cryptocurrencies make it ideal for newcomers and conservative traders. While it may not have every advanced feature, the peace of mind and simplicity it offers are hard to beat.